So first of all, I don't know what mic I'm supposed to be using. Maybe this mic. But listen, I'm not even joking when I say this. Change your mind about AI or die as a business owner. And if you do not watch this video, I will call you not an intelligent business owner. I'm just going to tell you that. I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible. I'm going to break these points down to you about AI. When people don't really get down to the numbers, people really don't understand the difference. And when your competitors, you're using these against you, you are falling behind in a drastic manner. First of all, AI has what people of all sorts don't have. They have a picture, what I call it, a photographic memory. Most people don't have that. And the reason why I use AI is just because of that, because of all reasons, it can take so many data points that I could never remember, but I can come up with out of nowhere and have AI breed those things to me very easily. Whether it's shooting this video, I will shoot this video today, right? I will put it into AI. It will spit me out emails, text message blast, everything else I need all ready for a marketing campaign based off of the video that I shot because I wanted to interpret something. Use AI, it will store this and then it will use it as references as I choose to use it. Now, do you understand how powerful that is as a personal brand, as a few man team? We only have about 10 employees in our team now who run with us for brand X. And on my back end marketing with Dom is I do all the back end marketing and stuff like that. And for you guys, I'm expressing the power of AI right now. Now, listen, I'm going to talk about how any business can use it. And if you don't use it, you're going to die. Right. I'm going to actually show you some examples of things that I do. Right. Like I'm going to show you some examples of things that I do. I really just shot a video yesterday on my AI system and what it's doing for me right now, right? I was like, I'm full in on AI at this point. I have a bunch of companies I use it for, but I had to start using it for myself at a massive rate. And I was like, forget about it. We're going to go hard in this one, right? So this all comes in for the basic product. We charge for $27, right? We charge $27 for the basic product. But let me talk about what happens when you just use AI for your business. Like, let's break this down. Yeah, I hope it can see it now. I'm not really sure. Yeah, so we're gonna break this down. So, right, we're seeing the right screen right now. I hope you are. Let me just make sure. Just make sure you're seeing the right screen. Let's get it up. Here we go. Bam. Let's get you in here. So let's break this down. Now I'm bringing in leads right now in a basic pipeline. I'm talking about some beginner stuff on the software side of the business. Express what you're doing, right? And you're gonna see this open conversation that's happening here. But let's see what's happened. Now, what happens here is you can see me sending out my automatic text messages, getting people hit me up on the DMs. They responded, my AI automatically responded, yes, how can I book a speaker? Bam, my AI automatically responded. But the one thing you do not know about this is that this original text that it said, when I checked on it, said something like, we don't really have that information. Sorry about that. Right. And at first I was mad. But guess what? It only takes one time to change the system to fix it. I went here, I press this, and then what it says is edit response. What does that mean? It tells the system, I didn't like the way you responded to that statement, and here's the way I would respond to it based off of the question that it feels like you were answered, or a statement that was made. And you can train your bot, and it will keep this forever, unlike a human, no offense, unlike a human, it won't keep it in their mind forever. They will have to keep being reminded, keep being trained. No, we're going to train this thing one time. I'm going to do this, but I'm going to go with a thumbs up on it. Oh, I can't change it. No. You know what? That's what I get training you guys. That's what I get. I can't even change my dislike, but I really liked it. It was a really good answer. I guess I got to come back. I really like that answer. So, you know what? I'm upset because I showed you that, and it just gave my system bad feedback. So hopefully it still comes out with something. Being disliking, it's going to come out with a better one. Maybe if I click dislike, it'll pop back up and give me an opportunity to answer the question. So you got to take the opportunity to train your dragon right in the moment. Okay. So yeah, and these conversations are getting responded by the system and they're booking calls. Okay, thank you for your feedback appointment through. Have you in any appointment? Let me know. It got back to it. I say I don't want it to wait for more than 2 minutes before my system responds. I say that. Some people say an hour. They want to be able to get back in there every hour, and which is okay. Some people say 5 hours. They want someone to go about 5 hours. I say 2 minutes. I don't want somebody in my system and they didn't get a response back from me in 2 minutes. How can you guarantee that 24 hours if somebody hits me up at 12 o'clock and my system runs up in here? Hey, what's up? Oh my God, you're up. That's when they're doing business. My AI is going to do business with them. I don't have to wait till the next morning to get back to them. Like, oh, what were you talking about? They get a phone call immediately. Immediately from AI, leaves a voice message so they know that we've contacted them. Gives them a number to call back if they want to directly for that campaign. They can text the phone number if they need to. The phone number will text back. It'll set them up with information. The more questions it asks, the more times I answer it, the smarter it gets. It databases all questions and statements. It even feeds off of exactly those statements, maybe to make it a little bit different and to take what the person said and then engage with it and then spit it back out. Come on. These are basic prompts too. I'm just telling you that. I didn't create, this is off the cuff regular prompt that already existed. I didn't change anything. I just started training it. That's it. So when I look at my opportunities pipeline and I look at what happens in the system, I know the people I've contacted, leads I need to contact. I have 31. I need to contact some people. But if they respond to my original text, remember, this will take over conversations. My AI bot will take over conversations. Okay, contacted 18. I need to contact some more. I've been running ads. Look at this. It's been working. People are saying I need to respond to them because I need to respond. Listen, booked an appointment. What am I doing? Booked an appointment. April 21st. It's telling me that. Look at that. They didn't even get there. They already booked an appointment. I didn't contact them, which is why I have this here. I contact them sometimes personally to get the ball moving. Maybe have an adjustment. Bam. Cool. Right? So to me, the power is in the game, bro. Power is in having a system that can do it all. I can't get all up into that, but listen, if I didn't change your mind about AI, tell me I suck. Give me a thumbs down. Doesn't matter. If you want to learn more about AI and artificial intelligence, me doing things as well, comment down below. Let me know what I should talk about because I'm just going to get deeper and deeper in there as I'm working on projects for my clients as well as for myself. But I'm going to show some clients. I'm going to show what they do. We're going to get hype in this month. We're going to execute with some AI. We're going to take it to the next level.